Hello, welcome back. Today I'm doing a quick chain and sprockets change on my KTM 500. These filthy horrible chain and sprockets coming off, not been changed since I've had the bike. And these nice shiny DID chain AFAM sprockets, that's 50 and that's 13 tooth, gonna go on. So up at the front here, got this bolt and there's one behind there to remove this front sprocket guard, then got the main sprocket nut that should take the front sprocket off. At the back I've got to take the back wheel off and then take the rear sprocket off. I might need a chain breaker to break the chain. That's the sprocket that's come off. It's a bit like a wave. Both 13 tooth, so like for like. That, as you can tell, has been on for quite some time. Right, the scraggy horrible chain is off. Now I'm going to take the back wheel off, take the rear sprocket off, we can start to race it. Right, so wheels off, sprockets off, time to put the new stuff back on, build the bike back up, ready to go. Going to Wales tomorrow, it's going to be fun. I think I should clean it first. Grim. Right, sprockets on, put the wheel back on the bike and then we'll feed the new chain in. No, we'll put the front sprocket on, then we'll put the new chain on. Always copper slip on the front sprocket so it doesn't seize on. Right, I'm finished. There we go. So, chain link's there. Tension's correct, 55 to 58 mil. Front sprocket. The only difference, this seems to be a bit short, so I've had to turn the chain adjusters backwards. So it's quite close to the plastic flap, but it should be alright. Might rub on it a little bit, but it'll be fine. Yeah, happy days. Let's go ride.